Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could be your ticket to wealth creation? Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword or a sci-fi concept, but a transformative force reshaping the world as we know it. From healthcare to transportation, from entertainment to finance, AI has permeated every industry, revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. Now let's turn our gaze to wealth creation, a domain where AI is proving to be a game changer. It's fascinating to see how a blend of algorithms, machine learning, and data analysis can unlock new avenues for generating wealth. Imagine for a moment a world where investment decisions are not based on hunches or gut feelings, but on insightful data analysis powered by AI. Picture a scenario where your financial future is not determined by chance but by smart decisions guided by predictive intelligence. This is no mere daydream. It's a reality that's already taking shape. Some of the wealthiest individuals on our planet have harnessed the power of AI to amass fortunes. They've leveraged AI to identify trends, make strategic investments, and even create groundbreaking products and services. Yet, AI is not just a tool for the elites, it's an accessible technology that anyone, including you, can utilize. It's a catalyst that can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. The key lies in understanding its potential and learning how to wield this powerful tool. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to disrupt an industry, an investor seeking the next big thing, or simply someone curious about the future of wealth creation, AI offers a wealth of possibilities. It's a new frontier, a vast landscape of opportunities waiting to be explored. So, are you ready to step into the future? Are you prepared to redefine wealth creation as we know it? Let's dive into how you can harness the power of AI to create wealth. Before we dive deep, it's crucial to understand what AI is and how it works. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software with the ability to analyze its environment using either predetermined rules and strategies or patterns gleaned from data. In essence, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans, but with an incredible speed and accuracy. So, how does AI work? Well, it's a vast field with numerous approaches, but two significant ones are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a form of AI that enables a system to learn from data rather than through explicit programming. It's like teaching a child how to walk. You don't program each step. Instead, you provide an environment where they can learn through trial and error. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of machine learning that structures algorithms in layers to create an artificial neural network that can learn and make intelligent decisions on its own. It's akin to teaching a child to recognize animals. You don't program the child to know each animal, they learn to identify them over time by recognizing patterns and features. AI's power lies in its ability to learn, predict, and make decisions. It can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and predict future outcomes with a level of accuracy that far surpasses human capabilities. It can make decisions based on these predictions, automating tasks and processes that would otherwise require human intervention. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and keeps learning how to do its job better. It's like having a tireless team working round the clock to analyze data, spot trends, make predictions, and implement decisions, all at a speed and accuracy that humans can't match. Equipped with this knowledge, we can now start exploring how to use AI to create wealth. The first step to using AI for wealth creation is identifying the right AI application. Now there's a whole universe of applications to choose from, each with their own unique advantages. Let's dive in. For instance, chatbots are a fantastic tool for automating customer service, freeing up precious time for you to focus on more strategic tasks. Then we have predictive analysis, which can give you a sneak peek into future trends, helping you stay one step ahead in the game. Trading algorithms are another powerful AI application. They can analyze vast amounts of financial data in a blink of an eye, making accurate predictions and executing trades at lightning speed. And these are just a few examples. There are numerous other AI applications out there waiting to be explored. Remember, the key is to choose an application that aligns with your business goals and strengths. Once you've identified the right AI application, you're ready to move to the next step. The second step is learning and implementing AI. Artificial intelligence is a vast field, but don't let that intimidate you. There are a plethora of resources online that can help you understand and master the basics of AI. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer courses that range from beginner to advanced levels. There are also forums like Stack Overflow and GitHub where you can discuss and solve problems with other AI enthusiasts. Now you might be wondering, how do I implement what I've learned? It's simple. Start by identifying a problem that AI can solve. It could be anything from predicting stock market trends to automating customer service. Once you have a problem in mind, the next step is to design an AI model that can solve it. This is where your learning comes into play. You'll need to choose the right AI algorithm for your problem. There are many types of AI algorithms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are better suited for prediction tasks, while others excel at classification tasks. But don't worry, the courses you've taken will guide you in choosing the right algorithm. Once you've chosen an algorithm, you'll need to train it using relevant data. This is called machine learning. The algorithm learns from the data and improves its performance over time. This is the heart of AI. After your model is trained, test it to see how well it performs. If it's not performing as well as you'd like, tweak the algorithm or use more data to train it. This is a process of trial and error, and it's how you'll fine-tune your AI model. Finally, once your model is performing well, implement it. This could mean integrating it into a software application or using it to make predictions or automate tasks. The possibilities are endless. Remember, learning and implementing AI is a journey. It's not something you can master overnight. But with persistence and the right resources, you can create an AI model that solves a real-world problem. And that's where the magic happens. After learning and implementing AI, it's time to move to the next step. The third step is leveraging AI for wealth creation. The advent of AI has opened up a myriad of opportunities for wealth creation. Just like the gold rush of the 19th century, there's a new rush. But this time it's digital, and it revolves around artificial intelligence. One way to create wealth with AI is by developing AI solutions. AI developers and engineers are in high demand, and they earn top dollar for their skills. But you don't need to be a tech wizard to cash in on this opportunity. You can hire a team of developers or partner with an AI firm to create solutions that businesses are willing to pay for. These solutions could range from automating mundane tasks to predicting market trends. Speaking of market trends, another way to leverage AI is by using it for trading. AI can analyze huge amounts of data faster than any human ever could. It can identify patterns and predict market trends with an accuracy that is simply astonishing. By using AI for trading, you can make informed decisions, minimize risks, and maximize profits. It's like having a crystal ball that can see into the future of the stock market. Another method is to use AI for predictive analysis. This is particularly useful for businesses. Predictive analysis can help businesses forecast sales, manage inventory, optimize pricing, and much more. By offering predictive analysis as a service, you can help businesses make data-driven decisions, and in return, you can charge a premium for this valuable service. In a nutshell, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a tech guru, a savvy investor, or an entrepreneur looking for the next big thing, AI offers a plethora of opportunities for wealth creation. It's a brave new world out there, and AI is the compass that can guide you towards a wealthier future. Now that you know how to leverage AI for wealth creation, let's move to the final step. The final step is scaling and automating the process. Once you've dipped your toes into the AI waters and seen some initial success, it's time to expand. Scaling is all about taking what works and making it bigger. Maybe you've developed an AI tool that's helping you make smarter investments. Now it's time to consider how you can apply that same tool across various markets or sectors. Scaling isn't just about size, though, it's also about efficiency. You'll need to streamline your operations and cut out any unnecessary steps. This might involve refining your algorithms or training your AI on additional datasets. Remember, the goal is to get the most bang for your buck. But there's another crucial element to this puzzle: automation. Automation is the magic that allows you to sit back and watch as your AI does the heavy lifting. It's what allows you to make money while you sleep. A tantalizing prospect, isn't it? How do you automate? Well, once your AI system is trained and tested, you can set it up to run on its own. This could mean having it automatically analyze market trends and execute trades, or it could involve setting up a bot to handle customer inquiries on your e-commerce site. The possibilities are endless, but let's not forget, automation isn't a set-it-and-forget-it proposition. You'll need to monitor your system regularly to ensure it's performing as expected, and you'll need to make adjustments as necessary. After all, markets change, customer preferences evolve, and new data become available. So, you see, scaling and automation are the keys to unlocking the true potential of AI in wealth creation. They allow you to capitalize on successful strategies, increase efficiency, and free up your time for other pursuits. And who knows, maybe those other pursuits will lead to the next big AI breakthrough. With these steps, you're ready to start your journey towards wealth creation using AI. Let's recap what we've learned today. The future of wealth creation is no longer tied to traditional methods. It's evolving, and at the heart of this evolution is artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that, when harnessed correctly, can unlock untold wealth. We started by understanding AI, breaking down the complexities of this technology into digestible information. We learned that AI is about machines mimicking human intelligence, taking in data, learning from it, and making decisions. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping industries across the globe. Next, we discussed identifying the right AI application. This is crucial because AI is not one size fits all. It varies based on your industry, your goals, and your resources. You must find an AI application that aligns with your objectives, whether it's automating tasks, enhancing customer service, or predicting market trends. The journey doesn't stop at identifying the right AI application. You have to learn and implement it. We emphasize the importance of continuous learning, keeping up with AI advancements, and leveraging online resources and courses. We also touched on the importance of testing and tweaking your AI applications to ensure they're delivering the desired results. Then we dove into leveraging AI for wealth creation. This is where the magic happens. Once you've implemented AI, you can begin to see the fruits of your labor. AI can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and open up new revenue streams. It's about working smarter, not harder. Finally, we looked at scaling and automating the process. Once you've tasted success with AI, it's time to take it to the next level. Scale your AI operations and automate processes to maximize your wealth creation potential. Remember, the future of wealth creation lies in AI. Start your journey today, and who knows, you could be the next AI millionaire